Hello folks, how you going? Skypilot here. Yes, the Skyzone AtomRC. I have recently rebuilt this after I had a small ESC burnout issue, which I'm not too sure, either the 4S I was running on it was either too powerful for it and I burnt out a motor and it crashed, or a motor just malfunctioned and then the ESC burnt out afterwards after it crashed. But yeah, you can see that video up there guys if you want to have a look. Otherwise, I have put in a new ESC, rewired it up, put some different props on, and now I'm going to take it for a fly. I've mounted the XM Plus antennas a little bit differently, fully configured, and I'm hoping it flies better than it did the first time. It's a ripper little unit guys. Let's take it for a zip around, see how she performs. Thanks for dropping by guys. Oh, it's a smooth fly with those gem fans on. Oh, sounds very, very, very smooth. Nice, okay. A little bit of prop wash there. Tiny bit of prop wash, but it doesn't bother me too much. Okay, let's go for a fly around and see how she goes. I do like the VTX on this Atom guys, it is very nice. Range isn't going to be superb as it does pump out 300 milliwatts. This flies really smooth folks, what do you think? Oh, excellent. Let's have a look at that prop wash that I was telling you about. Oh, it's not too bad. What a smooth flyer. I hail my rebuild a success folks. What do you think? I'm pretty happy with that. Just running the XM Plus, I don't have TBS Crossfire on here. However, I think it's going to do a fairly good job. Let's go through the... There's that prop wash I was telling you about. Okay, let's see if we can go through the veranda here. Show you guys how nice this is control, and it's also a good little VTX tested as well that I run. You can get through here without it dropping out. It's doing fairly well. Let's slide up a bit. That's pretty good. Yeah, that's actually really good. Normally it drops out a lot more there. Okay, speed run back home. I don't expect this little 3S to last too long. Keeping an eye on the battery power there. Oh, what a great success guys. I'm pretty chuffed, that's really nice. Yeah, there's that prop wash I was telling you about. Okay. Okay, we are getting low on power now. I may just have enough time to do a VTX test that I like running here. Hopefully I won't hit anything. I normally get halfway up here. Oh dear. Oh dear, no, this may not end well. Okay. Okay. Rightio, it's time to bring it home. I don't really want to land on the dirt, so let's do a hand landing. I hail my rebuild a success, guys. It's a bit dusty there. Let's play around a bit, shall we? Whoa, yeah, that's dusty. We really want that into the electronics. Skyzone, guys, flies really smooth. A little bit of prop wash, but I think if we try some different props, I'll probably alleviate that. 3S450 bonker underneath there, pretty decent flight time. Motor's not too warm. Certainly a much better flight experience than the last time. Good stuff. What do you think, guys? I think it's pretty decent. Quick flight, lots of fun. See you next time. Catch you later on, guys. Bye for now.